Hey guys, so we are doing a vlog today, just like kind of a hangout with us. We're gonna be out and about doing a ton of stuff, so I figured it'd be a cool day to vlog. First of all, I have this little orange outfit. Isn't it so cute? And I want to do a little outfit for Instagram, so I got this little bag. How freaking cute is it? It's like a little net, and then I thought I could put a bunch of lemons in here, and then like hashtag OOTD. Is that cute, babe? Yeah. So yeah, that's what I got this for. It's gonna be my lemon bag, because you know I'm obsessed with lemons. So yeah, so come along with us today, and we're gonna kind of show you a little behind the scenes on a day in our life. So right now we are going so Zach can get fitted at a suit shop because we have a very exciting photo shoot on Wednesday.
Yeah.
And so we're gonna be like a bride and groom for a styled wedding. It's a boho wedding, so it feels like we're getting married again. Are you excited?
Yeah.
You're gonna see me in a wedding dress again, babe.
Who's the photographer?
Her name is Sage Photography, and her photos are amazing, and she put the whole thing together and just asked Zach and I to be models, and I literally begged him, you guys. I was like, babe, please. I cried when he said he'll do it. I cried because that's how excited I was.
It's like no parking.
I know. So we're going to a tux shop right now so he can get fitted for his suit that he's going to be wearing, and my gown is going to be a Rue de Seine gown, and I love Rue de Seine. My own wedding dress was Rue de Seine, so I'm so excited. Hopefully I don't cry and get emotional, but yeah, that's what we're doing right now. I did an outfit change. I'm wearing, I think you can park there. I'm wearing this lemon print outfit. And then I brought that little bag that I showed you guys earlier. I brought that and I put some lemons inside of it, and we're gonna do a really cute outfit. And Zach's having some road rage right now.
This guy's an idiot, man.
Usually I'm the one who gets the road rage, not him.
Dude, I don't have road rage.
I have really bad road rage.
I don't.
Am I a crazy driver? I am.
Dude, it's like freaking attempted murder every time someone rides with you.
Okay, so we're gonna walk into the suit shop right now. I'll tell her you don't want to wear a vest. Okay, he really doesn't want to wear a vest.
I want to wear that.
Okay, I'll tell her that's this. Okay, let me show you guys the one that he likes. He likes this one. It's called the Black Lorenzo. It's pretty clean. He likes that one, so I'm gonna ask her if we can do that one. Models being divas. Babe, are you gonna be a diva?
Huh?
Are you gonna be a diva?
No.
Alright, my man. So these are size 10.
Babe, how do you like the vest?
You know, I'm not a fan of this, but yeah, I like this size better.
Can I see, babe?
What do you
Cute.
think?
That's very handsome.
Thanks. Yeah, I think I like this. I like my sleeves to shoulder.
Yeah, little shirt cuff.
Yeah,
Just icing on the cake, you know?
right. Yeah, I think that's good.
Perfect,
It'll
man.
just be a skinny black tie,
Yeah.
right? Okay.
So, you guys, we're shooting this outfit here. And so, we found a cute little house.
Oh, look at this cat.
Oh, they're just chilling. We found a cute house, and we're gonna go shoot pictures in front of it.
Look at this. There's two of them.
He's obsessed with animals. Everyone's gonna look at us really weird. Hopefully the owners of the house aren't home, because that would be really awkward. Babe, what if the owners of the house come out?
Huh?
What if the owners of the house come out?
Who cares? We thought, hey, we thought it was for sale. I don't know.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. That's a good angle.
Mm-hmm.
Can you see my lemons?
Let's see. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. All right. 1, 2, 3. Oh, what? That was a huge wasp. Oh shit! It's chasing me. Yeah. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, go. Okay. And it's a video. What's up, guys? We're out here. It's my sister Oz. We're out here. We're doing a little engagement shoot. Ruby's taking her photos right now. It's kind of weird. Everybody's kind of watching us up there, but whatever. Yeah, it took her a while to convince me, but I can't say no to her. So what can I do, guys? I'm out here taking wedding photos again. Now I'm out here with Oz.
Second time.
There's a lot of birds out here. Hope we don't get crapped on. We are out here.
My long skinny one? Yeah.
Give me your strength and show me your weakness. We're in this together now.
They are newlyweds. I know, right?
Go ahead and like get in close. That's cute. What it's like to get married
Again.
again?
Can you show the outfit?
Huh?
Yeah, what kind of dress you have, man?
There's a train.
Through the same gown.
See the sleeves?
Tell me what it is.
Well, it's gonna be too loud.
No, it's not. It'll be fine. It's voiceover.
I just want to get like a little bit more and then half done go on the other side.
Did you get the back of the dress?
Yeah, no, I didn't.
What back? Go back. Nothing on the back.
I want to keep it.
Bye, guys.
It's freezing.
Very
We're cold.
We're almost done. We're almost done. Good pictures. Dude, she's so awesome.
Okay. I like fun stuff.
Okay, so the first thing I want you to do is I want you to pick her up. Okay? You're gonna pick her up like this. My fingers go like this, and also pocket this, and then around.
Should we get like under my butt though for support? Or does that look bad?
Not.
Not.
Oh, okay.
Jump in.
If possible.
Okay.
If she jumps, can you catch it?
No.
No.
Well, hold on. Let me try. Hold on. And now, back. I want you to do it again. This time you can get underneath her butt. I just want to see what it looks like. Okay, and then go ahead and like spin her around. What? No, I want him to hold you and spin you around. Go ahead. Perfect.
Was that cute? Or should I look away? Should I look up?
I'm gonna have you guys do something else now. And then kind of like hang down.
What's up, Z?
Oh, nothing. You know. Good to do. Come on, Oz.
So we just finished the shoot. best freaking time ever. Did you have fun?
Actually, I did have fun.
So I volunteered him for all future shoots. So
Yeah. I got volunteered.
you got volunteer.
I got drafted, guys.
You got So any photographers, if you're watching this and you ever need a bride and groom, we're in. Yeah, he's down. So yeah, I had a really good time. I'm just really happy.
Hey, come on, let's go eat. I'm starving.
We're gonna go eat In-N-Out now. But
Thank you to Oz for coming.
thank you to Oz, my sister-in-law, she's behind the camera, for coming and being photographer #1 as always.
No problem, guys.
But
Too, but yeah.
you guys, this dress,
Yeah, #1
like,
today.
I'm really like obsessed with this dress.
Let's go.
Okay, we're done.
Give me your strength and show me your weakness. We're in this together now. We're in this together now.